Alrighty guys, this here is I guess you say unplanned video, but I'm going to speed up the blower on the Goodman. It's been on medium speed for the longest time, and it's drying out the air in the house too much. I'm going to put it back on a high speed. It's the first time I've had the panel open this year with a Goodman entirely. That's the screw that doesn't want to work, and something's going on with my camera. Memory card keeps giving me an error, so if I have to switch to a phone, that's why. And the breaker is off. I am going to double check everything. Alright, volts AC. See here on the contactor, we should have nothing, and we have nothing. And now I need this schematic because I don't remember what wire's what. Alright, I believe it's going to be this black wire on M2 coming off the blower. It is a regular blower. I don't want to take that blower door off. Where is the blower compressor? Alright, 3-speed, red, 2. I need to know what black is. I'm going to take that blower door off to see what speed the blower is, but I believe this is black wire. That is the high speed, but let me get that blower door off and switch it around. Alright, there's the blower motor, and black is high, and right now it's on medium. There's the coil. Doesn't look the greatest in there, but we're gonna close up the blower door. I didn't want that to happen. Put this blower door back on. This door here is extremely difficult to get on. Let me put this door on. Alright, so what we're going to do is pull off this blue terminal off the blower board. Be very careful doing that. And we're going to take this black wire, which is high speed, plug it on to the blower board, and then we'll take this blue one here and plug it onto M2. That is the defrost control board. It is set to a 90-minute interval. This does not have smart shift on it. And that is our blower control board. So now it is on high stage, and there's our contactor. It's kind of burned up looking. So what we're going to do is close this up and go turn it on and see how it performs on high stage. Should make a compressor a lot happier, and it won't blow as warm air because there'll be more air moving over the coil, and it won't get so hot. Which I can always change it, and I always turn the power off when I'm out here in this thing. I don't have to change the blower door or blower speed, but I do anyways. Alright, make sure all that's lined up. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Battery in my drills about had it. Magnetic screws. Don't have to get these crazy tight. Looks like I'm missing a screw. That's the one that's stripped out, so we'll put that screw over here. And yes, I did replace these 2 screws. This is an original screw. And it's all sealed up. I'll have to get another big screw to put in there. But yeah, that's changing the blower speed on the Goodman. See you on the next one. Bye for now. decided to turn on, and I think it sounds a lot happier. It's definitely heating a lot. It is definitely moving a lot more air across the condenser. Compressor sound really happy, and maybe now it won't dry the house out so much. A note, I called the evaporator coil the condenser because in heat mode the cycle's reversed. This is the evaporator and the inside part is the condenser. This is the cold side, this is the warm side. Anyways, I'm gonna run it in high speed for the time being. I'll probably just end up leaving it there. Anyways, see you on the next one.